about introduce yourself in Russian language. So let's start. Let's pronounce it with me. Привет means hi or hello. Привет means hi or hello. Let's move to the next word. Let's pronounce it with me. Kakdala, which means how are you? Kakdala, which means how are you? Kakdala, which means how are you? Let's move to the next word. Ya poryatke. Let's pronounce it with me. Ya poryatke, which means I am fine. Ya poryatke, which means I am fine. Let's move to the next word. Let's pronounce with me. Is we na use, which means sorry. Is we na use, which means sorry. Let's move to the next word. Let's move to the next word. Spasibo, which means thank you. Spasibo, which means thank you. Spasibo, which means thank you. Let's move to the next word. Let's move to the next word. Koros, hego, danya, which means have a nice day. Answer with me. Koros, hego, danya, which means have a nice day. Koros, hego, danya, which means have a nice day. Let's move to the next word. Debopriyo, which means welcome. Let's pronounce it with me. Debopriyo, which means welcome. Debopriyo, which means welcome. Let's move to the next word. Speak with me. Debopriyo, which means good morning. Let's pronounce it with me. Debopriyo, which means good morning. Debopriyo, which means good morning. Let's move to the next word. Yen, which means good afternoon. Dobryyen, which means good afternoon. Dobryyen, which means good afternoon. Let's move to the next word. Dobry večer, which means good evening. Let's pronounce with me. Dobry večer, which means good evening. Dobry večer, good evening. Let's pronounce with me. Dobry večer, which means good evening. Let's move to the next word. Spokojny noche, which means good night. Let's pronounce with me. Spokojny noche, which means good night. Spokojny noche, which means good night. Spokojny noche, which means good night. Let's move to the next word. Uvidimся, which means see you again. Uvidimся, which means see you again. Uvidimся, which means see you again. Let's pronounce it with me. Uvidimся, which means see you again. Let's repeat it all again. Debopriyo, which means good morning. Dobryyen, which means good afternoon. Dobry večer, which means good evening. Spokojny noche, which means good night. Uvidimся, which means see you again. Thanks for watching my video. At next class, we will learn country names in Russian language.